I've always hated my teeth. They've always been a real problem. I mean, I've lost more than half of them. You know, I was always very self-conscious about smiling. Kind of embarrassing. Any picture you ever see of me, it never shows me smiling because I'm always so worried about people looking at my teeth. And my daughter's getting married. I want to be able to, you know, be able to smile and have people, see and no, I just think that it's time. And also it was so out of reach because it's so expensive here in the United States. My friend is from India, and his wife had the implants, and I looked at her teeth and I was just like, oh my God, that looks fantastic. And she said that it had only taken a few days to have it done, and the cost was considerably less. When I say I'm going to India, people say, what are you going to India for? And I tell them, and it's amazing how many people are like, I'd love to do that. They can't wait for me to come back so I can show them my teeth. I looked at a lot of different doctors there, and then I wanted to see what, their credentials were and the implant process and implantologist. Dr. Barani from Trissa Dental Solutions called me back. I learned of the immediate load implant, which you can get actually a few days, and after like the third or fourth day, you're walking out of the dentist's office with permanent teeth. Wow. Wow, that looks great. Very happy. Wow. I've seen that in years. When I got back, so many people noticed my teeth and wanted to know what I did. And there's so many people that really want to do this, that can afford it now. I mean, they just can't believe how much I paid and the results. So I have the opportunity now to share this with everyone. I have the story. I did it. I had it done, and I feel fantastic.